And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 21. Let me show you how we can expand photos and images using the generative AI feature. Let me unlock this, I call it original, press Ctrl G to copy it. And now I use the rectangle marquee tool. I have to use one of these first two modes, so new selection or add to, and then I left click drag over the area that I want to keep. Now I click on the layer mask option here. It's going to cut out everything. You can see I've got the original below invisible, therefore we can see the checkerboard. Let me switch to the layer itself, so from the layer mask to the layer. I select this area again, and now I have to invert it. So I go to select, inverse, and this makes my selection everything but this painting. You should see the marching ants on the canvas borders. Now we need a contextual text bar. If you can't see that, go to Window and left click on it. So if it's unchecked, you won't see it. So left click here to check it, then you can see it. Click on Generated Fill, and you can just leave the prompt empty, confirm via Generate. And now you will get 3 variations. You can cycle through them, pick the one that you like. So this was the original, and that is what Photoshop did with it. Now let's go for another example. I want to choose the Mona Lisa. And now I want to keep the photo entirely, but expand it. To do that, we'll have to expand our canvas. Many ways to do that. If you want to do it numerically, go to Image, click on Canvas Size, and then adjust width and height right here. Let me just pick like 10,000 and 15,000. I confirm via OK. We can see our checkerboard once more because the original is invisible below. Let me reposition the copy here, and wherever we put it, it's going to expand into the checkerboard. So let me place it here. That way we will have expansion to the bottom and a little bit to left and right. I use the rectangle marquee tool to select what I want to keep. Then I have to invert it first, so select inverse. The marching ants are now on the outside, that's what we want. Click on Generative Fill and then Generate. This image is quite big, therefore it's going to take longer, so the more pixels there are, the more time it's going to take. But here we are now with our 3 variations, and I think that's a good result. If you wouldn't have known that we've expanded it, you wouldn't really notice, I believe. As always, I'm going to link to the images that I've used in the video description below, so if you want to use the same, check out the links. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.